Today we are going to learn how to save your image with high quality and in the right format for the summative tasks. First of all, okay, we have this image, okay, you see we have all the layer here, okay, let's make it more beautiful. Maybe I want to change, okay, and put drop shadow instead of the outer glow. Okay, let's suppose I'm ready with my image. I want to save it for the summative task. The first format that is required, okay, is PSD. So your file name in PSD format, okay, and your file name in JPG. Okay, PSD, this one, is the format you need to use every time you want to save your work, but you want to edit again the next time you will open the file. This is the format of Photoshop that let you keep all the layers here, okay? You preserve all the layers so you can edit and make adjustment, remove things, change the position of the layers. So in order to do so, you go in the top menu, File, Save As, okay. And maybe you put in the right folder, okay. I create a folder here named Design or something important for you, because first of all, you need to save on your laptop, and then you can upload on ManageBag. So my photo.psd. For the surreal photo project, you will say name the file as it is written in the description of the task. But just for this example, I select my photo. I leave this at PSD and want to be sure that here in the format I put Photoshop. Okay, I leave this embed color profile with the tick, and that's fine. If you just write PSD but this is not selected, it will not work. And then save. Okay, when I finish everything, okay, and I want to upload the high quality image to be printed, okay, I need to save in JPG, this format. So File, Save As, okay, no, sorry, File, Export, Export As. I click here, I select JPG, okay. I don't change the dimension, okay, and we put just the quality to the maximum possible, okay. And then I click Export. I will go again, okay, in my design folder. I put the right name and then export. You don't see nothing here because I exported another file, okay. But if I try to open it, okay, so this is the first one in PSD format. File, Open. I select JPG. You see that here I have only one layer. All the layers have been merged all together, so it's not possible to move the object again. So remember, for the summative task, you need to upload when required PSD format. Okay, this is very useful for me, so I can see how did you construct your image, and then JPG, because I really would like to try to print these images for you. Thank you.